Hello Body Fangs and welcome to Cradle View Centre. A bloody amazing brand new bloody shopping centre right across Cradlestone Mall. Now you come here if your back is bietjie droog and you need to chow something bloody healthy. Come with me. It's all about being very healthy nowadays, okay? Now this is what they call the famous donkey, the planner body. Yeah, it's got all the good stuff of the green fruits and the vegetables of the bushes. Like spinaci and broccoli, and it looks a little bit... But let's give it a go. Bloody yummies. Definitely worth the try. Check them out. En 'n mens kan natuurlik nooit nee sê vir 'n lekker toastie vir on the road. Look at it. Bro, oor 'n engeltjie op my tong gepiepie. Okay, thanks.